After week 1, I've been using the scalar gun from the Black Airbender. I already had noticed a big difference in the size of my fan leaves. I'll put them up next to each other so you guys can see. As you guys can see, this is a lot bigger than this one. And this is the same exact clone, same everything. We have a huge, and in height, I would say probably 2 to 3 inches, not much in the height, but definitely in the thickness of the stock and the size of the fan leaves. It's looking good. So next thing I'm going to be testing is how many times a day I should be doing it. So that's going to be the next thing I'm going to implement is how often I should be using this. All right, hope you guys have a good one.